Welcome to this last appointment with the Ocrim webinar about the modular mill concept. Our relator will be Marco Galli, and I'm Anna Buffa. I'm a food entertainer. The webinar will last 1 hour, including questions and answers. And he is very known for his continuous research of new application in the milling field, having patented inventions filed in his name. Recently, he has managed the technological design of the milling complex, which will be built in Cremona, which name is the Milling Hub.
And welcome to this Ocrim webinar. As anticipated by Anna, today I would like to introduce this new concept about the modular mill concept with some highlights on how this concept works. When I say any impact on the finished product, I mean any impact on dash, contain, on extraction, and so on. So we just stop one part of the mill while the rest is still running. Vice versa, when we stop the common group, all the mill will be down. To better clarify, when we say stop one of the two independent groups, we mean both suspend the production and switch off the equipment. It's important to highlight that in this condition, all the sequence that drive to have 50% of the mill, 50% of the production, and maintenance in the same time, all the sequences, all the safety devices are fully automated.
I agree with the economy scale in the high capacity plants, but what about the wheat milling changes and the lost time adjusting machinery?
Okay, this one is right, but we will see in the next part of the presentation that this technology, as we say, is balanced together with some equipment with new philosophy. So to have this concept and to achieve, to realize this concept, we need to put together all these three items, segment, these 3 points: flow sheet, layout, digitalization, and equipment. I just want to drive your attention to the 42 for the last row, the 42% reduction. 42 is the average reduction that we have considering all those items. And the 42% on that specific case drive to a saving time which is converted in production about 10 extra production day.
We start from the first one. Do you recommend one MMC instead of 2 smaller mills when different varieties of wheat are used?
Depends on how frequently you change. What I will say is that today, change a production in a big mill is not a big deal.
Thank you, Marco. Thank you, everyone who participated to this webinar, and hope to see you again with us to the next webinar. So follow us on our social pages, and thanks. Grazie.
Thank you again, guys, and have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye-bye.